Hey there, second grade. It's Mrs. Weber. Today we are going to work on editing and revising our fictional narrative. Well, what does that mean? Edit and revise. Well, I have two different phrases that are going to help you. So for revise, we use the word arms, and for edit, we use cups. Now, what does that mean? I know arms and cups, but what exactly do I mean by arms and cups? Well, for revising our writing, let's look at arms. The A means add, the R means remove, the M means move, and the S means substitute. But today only, we are only going to focus on the R. See how I have it circled today? That means remove. So that means we're going to read our story, and I want you to find words that maybe you've used over and over again. Like sometimes when I write, I say and or then a lot, like the boy went there, then this happened, and then this happened. Or I might say, and he went jumping, and he went skydiving, and he went to the park. So if you have one or two words that you use way too many times, we're going to remove them. We're going to cross them out in our story, in our writing, okay? The other thing is edit. What do I mean by that for cups? So C is capitals. We've worked on that before. So remember, we're going to circle all of our capital letters, or we're going to put a square around them like I did, and I'll show you in a second. P is for punctuation. So we're going to circle all of the punctuation. That means a question mark, exclamation mark. That means quotes around what something is saying or someone is saying. Or if you have a period or a comma. S is for spelling. So check all words and use your resources. So you can use a dictionary, you can look it up online, you can ask somebody at home how to spell something. And we're going to make sure that our spelling is tip-top shape. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect because that's okay. But we want to be close to the word as best as we can. Now, today for your writing, you need to go back in your journal. Find the story that you have written last week. Last week, you wrote the beginning, the middle, and the end of your story. Today, you are going to take markers or crayons, or you can use a pencil. You are going to box in, I boxed in all of my capital letters, see? And you're going to circle the punctuation, all of your periods, all of your question marks, all of your exclamation marks. Circle your punctuation. Then you are going to remove any unwanted words. Well, what does that mean? That means if I put in the word and too many times, I said and this and that. I'm going to go in and I'm going to cross it off and I'm going to remove it. Take it out of your story. You don't need it. There's too many of them. Your story will make sense without it, okay? So, your job today, open up your journal, go to the story that you wrote. You're going to read the story again. So, I need to read my whole story. Go through your story. You're going to box in the capital letters. Circle the punctuation, the periods, okay? The question marks. And you are going to remove any unneeded words. Okay? That's it. That's your job today. No writing, we're just editing and revising. Go get to work, and we cannot wait to see how you edit your writing today. Good job today, guys.